Are you vlogging? Is this what vlogging is?
You tell me. It's a cluster.
Cunts. Does that mean we're not going to get running today?
Okay, running.
Yeah.
Be a massive mojo boost here at start.
Yes. And it's not mopping, it's us.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, that would be good. That would be very, very good.
Mr. Tripod. Ah, the batteries.
Thank you with that, basically.
Am I helping with light or not helping?
You're not unhelping.
James is building carbs in the rain.
Getting wetter.
You alright? Yeah, let's get it off. You sure you don't want to do that in here? I'm wet now.
The only problem with it being disconnected now is I've got to angle it as well as lift it. But there. I wonder if it's going to make things easier.
Might do.
Just wait for that to prime. No. It's priming. That's primed. Moment of truth. Turn it off. Too much advance. Are we on?
We're on. Yeah!
Yes!
Yes! Oh man, that sounded sweet, man.
Oh, fucking hell! Yes! What a result!
Yes.
About fucking time.
Oh, that sounded good. It just,
Yeah.
oh, it just ran mint.
Yeah.
It smells so good. Yeah. Getting away for that.
Straight in.
Oh, dude.
Just for a sec there, I was really worried because it just the fact that it didn't go straight away.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounded so mint.
It did. It sounded pretty happy.
Yes. I'm so used to starting up old engines. Let's go. Clang, 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 clang.
It's not old.
Oh no, it's brand new.
It's all new.
Oh, dude.
Should we go home now?
Yes.
Yes. Or to the pub, 1 or 2.
The tune's even quite close.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I mean, it didn't stumble or anything, did it?
No.
It's like the smoke.
Yeah. Why is it so smoky?
Just the initial...
Yeah.